In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit status on ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your availability so your team can see what you're focused on and when you'll be back. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're on the workspace where you want your status to appear, so your teammates are seeing the right information for the right place. Next, look for your profile area. This is typically your avatar or initials in the interface, often found near the bottom left or top right corner, depending on your layout and version. Click it to open your profile menu. This is where your personal settings and quick controls live, including the option to change your status. From that menu, choose Set Status. This opens a small panel dedicated to your current availability. Think of your status as a quick headline that tells others whether you're available, heads down on a task, in a meeting, or away. Keeping this up to date helps reduce interruptions and sets clear expectations for your response times. Now, select your status. Pick the option that best reflects what you're doing. It could be something like available, focused, in a meeting, or away. Choose the one that communicates your situation clearly to your team. If there's a text field available with your selection, keep it short and informative, like drafting report or reviewing designs, so teammates immediately understand your focus. After that, select the time. This is where you decide how long your status should remain active. You can choose a duration or a specific time when the status should clear. Setting a time keeps your status accurate without you having to remember to change it later. If you're stepping away for a short break, pick a shorter duration. If you're in meetings all afternoon, choose a time that covers that block. Keeping your time zone in mind here helps ensure the status clears when you expect. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your status will update right away, and your teammates will see it wherever your presence appears in ClickUp. This small habit goes a long way in aligning expectations, signaling focus time, and improving collaboration, especially in remote or hybrid teams. And that's it. Open your ClickUp account, click your profile, choose Set Status, select the right status, set the time, and save. Keep it accurate, keep it timely, and your team will always know the best way and time to reach you.